Be prepared this winter. Don't let the snow damage your roof. You need a roof rake from Classic Welding. Why? Because this isn't your ordinary roof rake. Classic Welding roof rakes are made from lightweight aluminum, not plastic like you'd find in the box stores. They'll last for years. Their standard roof rakes extend to 20 feet or more. Their universal roof rake head attaches to your utility pole or pool skimmer. Classic Welding is a family business known for quality workmanship, and their products are made right here in the USA. Stop in today for your custom railings or roof rakes. Classic Welding in North Haven for all your welding needs.